Hello, I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. So first, I had already go ahead earlier and had washed our jumbo squid here. So for today, I will be making you guys some adobo ginger with some garlic and of course with some sesame oil. You do not want this part from your squid. Make sure you take that off because that is their mouth. You can see how chopped this is. Make sure you take this out. Look at this. That is the bone. What I do is I pull in feed inside the pot. Prepare, if you want to leave it, go right ahead. And also I'm going to take off, see the ink, that is where the ink coming from of the squid. Alright, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it. I'm going to leave the skin. Some people take off the skin, it's your choice, but right now I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half like so. So this meal is good for about 3 people. Alright, so I just got finished cutting our jumbo squid here. Now it's time to make the marination for our adobo. I'll be back. Alright, so in our mixing bowl right over here, I had put half a cup of white vinegar and half a cup of soy sauce, about half a teaspoon of green black pepper, and of course my favorite cayenne, yum! Go ahead and add that, and a whole piece, an ounce of a ginger, half a teaspoon of white sugar, a teaspoon of flour, also a tablespoon of lemon juice. Right over here we have cut shallots and also some fresh garlic. Aroma. And also let's not forget our sesame oil. We're gonna go ahead and mix this like so. And we're gonna go ahead and add our squid. And we're gonna let this set for about 5 minutes. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this into our pot here. I'm gonna put this on a medium-high heat. It's been 10 minutes. Now let's go ahead and turn off our adobo. I'm gonna taste this. I can't wait. This is one of my secret recipe in adobo. Wow, this is good. This dish is super good and you guys are gonna love it. Again, thank you for staying tuned with Cooking It with Chef Coco P Cruz here on our YouTube channel. I will see you guys again. Oh, yum! Sorry, let's do it again. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, yeah. I forgot my lines. My favorite part of the jumbo squid, the head. Sorry, hold on.